So, today, what I am going to do today is a comparison between two students, student A and student B. Well known competitive exam like staff commission, like selection commission. So, the pattern which the selection commission use for selecting staff is divided in four pattern, which is I divide in my mind section A, section B, section C, and section D. Now what I am doing is what I am doing basically I am comparing student A and student B. Student A is very more is very more brilliant than student B. What student B have to come the level on which level student A. So what things and what actions student B have to in next 7 days. Today is 25 May and next 2 June. So 25 May to 2 June the challenge is student V for student V is first thing in GK section A, which is section A. Student A and student B getting equal marks. That means student A's and student B's knowledge are equal in section A. What if student V not continue the actions that he is doing continuously on which we have he getting equal marks, have to continue that action in next 7 day. What in addition he have to work on section B, section C, and section D. In these three sections he is very poor. So section B is math. What challenge for student B in next 7 days is in morning he have to work on calculation daily 30 minutes to 45 minutes without any days break till 2 June, and in additionally have to practice on mixed questions with silence for next 7 days. Whatever he teaches you have to follow him without any break and solve every and each question, not chase another teacher. You have to consistent with him. If he stops his classes, you have to make your own way to getting 25 different topic question and solve them on evening daily. That 1 year before also Pond Ross suggestion. Now what is for you is for student V is 25 questions are directly given by Sahil sir. You have not to make any effort. You only solve that question and get answer. And if you are not getting on, you are not so able to solve, then that that questions you have to work on the concept and the work on concept and the methods to learn. And section C, for section C you have to, for student is advised to presence of mind, imagination, and try to use your mind in everything you do. Don't be unaware, unconscious anytime, because you are not a person. You have to improve, uplift yourself by consciousness, alertness, and quick, quickness, agility of mind. You have to use your mind each and every moment. Presence of mind is very required. Person A, you cannot live your life. Okay, my life is going on. This is okay. What you have to think? What I am doing, that work also doing 1000 other people's, but I have to do more much better them. That is the your philosophy always time in doing any work. That is very important for section C. And section D, try to learn the process of. Section D is portion of communication, and for communication you have to analyze the actions which are someone doing. By analyzing that action, express that action in your word. That is very important. Okay, so now we'll now next talk will be 2nd June, and with I want to see improvement in student V. We alert, we conscious, we hardworking, we focused, and enjoy the life. Okay.